Playful Yogis, I'm so happy you're here. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more yoga fun. Today's session is filled with playful movements and gentle breaths to help you feel calm and strong. So grab your mat, take a deep breath, and let's begin together. Keep your lower back long and natural. Try not to round it. Let your neck stay soft and relaxed. Find your balance, and if you shake a little, that is okay. Switch sides. Open your body gently, like a flower, opening wide. Press your supporting arm firmly into the floor to help you stay steady. Sit back on your heels with your knees close together. Gently bring your forehead toward your legs. Lift your forearms upward. Feel calm, grounded, and centered. Make your spine long from your hands to your hips. Hold the folded position with control. Stay strong and steady as you lift. Place your feet a little wider than your hips. Let your hips move slightly to the other side. Switch sides. Stay balanced, even if you feel a little unsteady. Lower slowly. Press your hands together to feel balanced and focused. Lengthen your spine from your tailbone up to the top of your head. Stay comfortable and soft in your body. As you fold forward, feel your legs staying connected to the floor. Keep your eyes looking forward or slightly down so your neck stays long. Imagine your body forming a strong triangle shape. Notice the gentle stretch, opening your body.
job, little yogis! You moved, stretched, and breathed so beautifully today. If you had fun, don't forget to tap the like button and subscribe so you won't miss our next yoga adventure. Share this video with your friends and invite them to join the fun next time. Now take a big, deep breath in and a slow breath out. Smile, relax, and I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye, yoga friends!